Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to speak briefly about the power of faith. Faith is not just a word, it is a powerful force that gives our hearts peace, our minds clarity, and our lives direction. When we believe in Allah with full conviction, we are never truly alone. Faith gives us courage in times of fear, hope in times of despair, and patience during hardship. Just like a tree stands strong because of its deep roots, a believer stands strong because of his faith. No matter how strong the storm is, the one with true faith remains firm, knowing that Allah is always with him. So never underestimate the power of faith. It can move mountains, change hearts, and guide you to success in this life and the next. May Allah strengthen our faith and keep us firm on His path. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.